SpaceX ignites next-generation Starship in key test for April launch. SpaceX has successfully completed a critical static fire test of its most powerful Starship to date, marking a major step toward an April launch attempt. The test, conducted on March 16th at the company's Starbase facility in South Texas, involved briefly igniting the engines of the Super Heavy booster while secured to the newly operational Pad 2. First fire for V3. A leap forward, this static fire represents the inaugural test for the version 3 V3 Starship, SpaceX's latest iteration designed for deep space missions, including crewed trips to the Moon and Mars. It's not just a new rocket, it's about doubling SpaceX's launch capacity at Starbase with the addition of Pad 2. The company confirmed via X, formerly Twitter, that the test also marked the first time cryogenic fuel and oxidizer were loaded onto a V3 vehicle. Initial Super Heavy V3 and Starbase Pad 2 activation campaign complete, wrapping up several days of testing. SpaceX, via X, the initial test involved only 10 of the booster's eventual 33 Raptor engines, with the ignition ending prematurely due to a ground-side issue. SpaceX plans to follow up with a full-engine static fire soon, pending the installation of the remaining 23 Raptor engines. What makes V3 different? Starship V3 is not just an incremental improvement, it's a significant upgrade. At 408.1 feet, 124.4 meters tall, it's slightly taller than its predecessor, V2, 403.9 feet / 123.1 meters. The real difference lies in its enhanced Raptor engines, which increase payload capacity to over 100 tons to low Earth orbit. A substantial leap from the roughly 35 tons achievable with V2. This increased power is vital. It's what allows Starship V3 to potentially carry enough fuel and cargo for lunar and Martian voyages. However, successful orbital flight and in-space refueling are still key milestones SpaceX must achieve before those ambitions become reality. The road to launch. Ship 39 and April testing. The Booster 19, used in the recent test, will fly alongside the upper stage, Ship 39, which recently passed a cryoproofing test confirming its ability to handle supercooled propellants. SpaceX aims to launch Starship V3 on its 12th test flight in early to mid-April. Why this matters? SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of space travel at an unprecedented pace. Each test, even partial ones like this static fire, provides crucial data for refining the design and operational procedures. The company's long-term vision is to establish a sustainable presence beyond Earth, and V3 is a critical piece of that plan. The next few weeks will be pivotal as SpaceX prepares for its next orbital attempt, one that could bring it closer than ever to its ambitious goals.